welcome. It's probably that.
What is going on, guys? I am responding to a vehicle, but my vehicle just doesn't want to go for me. Quick test. Alright, I am gonna clear the codes off my vehicle. I'm still in first gear. There's something going on with my car. Exit. Alright, so something going on with my car, so I'm responding to over at a Citgo. 2018 Nissan Rogue. Once I get that person out of my way, my car's gonna keep on acting up. Thank you for moving. Alright, so I'll clear the codes again later. Hello. Oh yeah, perfect. What was that? Yeah. Yeah. It should lay right up there. Yeah, I was listening to the radio. It just kept on saying tornado warning, tornado. I'm like, oh. And my car wants to act up and everything, so that's another thing. I'm gonna test the tire pressure in this, make sure it's perfect. I don't want you riding down the road and next thing you know this thing goes gone and everything. Yeah.
So I told him there was no point in here parking because it's a little harder to get around. So you wait here and I'll go over and sit in the car.
Yeah. It needs to be moved out of the way. This thing has sensors in it, or a computer in it and everything, so don't need to disconnect that. So you can go ahead and close that. And if I can get a signature real quick while I'm under here. Sometimes my screen doesn't work in the rain.
Okay.
Alright. And I'll get right to it. You're welcome. Yeah, go ahead. there's my gloves. These things are usually 60 psi. Always gotta verify. How's it going?
You do like mechanic repair?
I do emergency roadside assistance.
That's it?
Yeah.
So do it on the tires. Can I show you something real quick?
Sure. Yeah, let me take care of this customer and then I'll get with you, if that's okay.
Okay, yeah, I gotta get going. Okay.
Oh, you gotta get going. All right.
Yeah,
Go ahead and show me.
real quick. What up? So can you do something like this?
CV axle repair. Yeah.
CV axle, and I think it's.
It's broken inside there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I just got it back towed to my house.
That's mostly going to a mechanic right there because yeah, I can't do anything about that. Yeah, no problem. Those look like 19s. I'm a little bit too close to my car. There it goes. Oh, they're 21s. I'm telling you what happened to this tire. Ah, there you go. Yeah, you're gonna need a whole new tire because there's a hole on the side of it. Move this out of the way. Yeah, that'll be sufficient enough. take care of her real quick. It's a good thing I have the hat cam. Because I can record this whole thing. I love this impact. Yeah, just a little bit. Although I got a puddle right above me now, around the tag area.
What about the rim is in the back?
It's in the back already. Yeah, watch this. Yeah, no problem. All I need is the mileage of the vehicle and then you're good to go. I love that feature. I wish my car had that. 100,233 miles?
We're going out of town next Thursday. We don't know anything, but I will be taking the car in Monday yet and trying.
Yeah. Yeah, gotta get that done. And you can't drive too fast on that donut either.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem. Yep, you have a great day and drive safe. Quick test. Alright, so I got that customer going. Now, let me clear the codes of my vehicle. Clear. Alright, so I'm clearing the codes of my vehicle. I'm going to have to do this a few times because there's some kind of wiring issue going on with my car. But I'll get it figured out. I got her back up on the road. She's happy. I'm going to get back on the freeway, get back to the shop. Hopefully I don't get a call during the rain, because when it's raining out here, I feel some type of way because I start having issues with my car and I don't like that. And it seems like there's an accident up here. Great. But anyways, let me get to the shop. There's an accident right here. And anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna sit here and try getting back to the shop as safe as I can. And as always, thank you for watching, and God bless.